ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಅಗೇನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್. ವರದಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸರಿನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ವರದಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಂಶ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು, ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ವರದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿದೌಟ್. 9ನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ನಾನು ವರದಿಯ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಡೈವರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವರದಿ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. He can either take, I mean, there should be an impartial inquiry.
Hello, madam. ನೀವು ವರದಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರು ಆಚೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟಪಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಟಪಾಲನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 4:35 o'clock ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್.
ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ
ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ
ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನೀವು ಅವರ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ನ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನೀವೇನು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು, ಕೈದಿಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಈ ಬೇಕರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೊರತು ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ RTI ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕೋ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ RTI ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೋ, ಇಲಾಖೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೊರತು ನಾನು ಯಾವುದು ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಏನಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ನನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಪರಿಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
29/6ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಏನು ವೈದ್ಯರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಅವರ ನಾಲೆಜ್ಗೂ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ನಾಲೆಜ್ಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವರದಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ವರದಿಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರಿನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 crore ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗಳೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಕೆಲವು ಲಗತ್ತುಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Let government conduct a free fair inquiry. Whether I am lying or whether it doesn't exist there, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಸತ್ಯತೆನ. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಭ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೇನು ಈ ತರ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ DG ಅವ್ರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿರೋ ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಮೌಖಿಕವಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಲಿಖಿತವಾಗಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಮೌಖಿಕವಾಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಲಿಖಿತವಾಗಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ. ಲಿಖಿತವಾದ್ದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು, ಒಂದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೇ DG ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆನೆ. ಇದು ಈ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್.
ಕಾನೂನು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಕಾನೂನು ಹೋರಾಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. 1.5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನೀವೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಲೀವ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೀವ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಲೀವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ 20 ದಿವಸದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
1.5 ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆರೋಪ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಯಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರಾಗೃಹದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೇನೋ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ವಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬೇರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ವಯಸ್ಕರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವೇ ಸರಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇನೇ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲಂತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಲಿಖಿತವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
English now, sir. Now the DG has rejected the allegations and said that there is no evidence in the letter or report that you have submitted.
ಆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
One second, madam. One second. English, madam. 1 second.
Guys, don't push around, yeah.
ಏನ್ ಕೇವಲ
Ready?
ಓಕೆ
Ma'am, DG Prisons has denied all allegations, saying this is a conspiracy against him, and you don't know the rules of prisons. That's why you have written like this.
So this is exactly what he said. You are unaware of the rules. He said your allegations are baseless and they have no proof.
I would not first of all like to discuss the report here because I don't think it would be proper on my part to discuss the report in detail. I have submitted the report to my own boss, to the DG Prisons, saying that these things are happening and please take action. It is not a complaint on the boss or on the prison department to government or anything. It is my own internal report, fact finding, without any vested interest from my side, that these things are happening and please give attention to this and rectify. What else do I have?
Clarity on what exactly are the privileges that Shashikala is
of the report, or is it just based on rumors?
There are. Look, I have mentioned that, for example, few people, the first day we got a drug test of 25, some 18 people have reported. That's an evidence. I can't cook up those details, for example. Those prisoners, even if you test even after 5 days, because ganja and such things have trace in the urine, even up to 7 to 10 days, even if he has not used. So such things are there, which is there for everybody.
But have you seen the special ma'am, have you seen the special kitchen which was mentioned in the report? Because DG is denying.
Seems like he has not seen it. Or has somebody seen it and submitted a report to you, madam, the special kitchen?
No, I went to prisons myself and have submitted report, and I do not want to elaborate on the report because I do not think
At
it's
this
proper.
point, he is refuting the report that you have
See, when I give a report, if there is refutation, then please let there be a fact-finding inquiry.
Now that he has confronted, I'm going to escalate it to the DG. I'm going to escalate this.
Sorry?
Are you going to escalate
Now
this?
that he has denied it, will you be
No,
escalating?
I don't want to. There's no question of escalation or decreasing it or anything. There's no vested interest involved. There is something which I found. I gave it to him only. I have not submitted it to anybody else. I've given it to him that this is happening in prison.
Madam,
it's not a normal practice for police to file a report just based on rumors. In the report, you say there's rumors that 2 crore bribe has been paid. So DG says no one can file a report just based on rumors.
That is why clearly mentioned in the report. Rumor part aside, I've also mentioned a fact which exists. So I don't want to discuss the report. It will not be proper on my part.
As far as Shashikala is concerned, is this a first-hand, perspective that you're giving us, or somebody has told you?
This is a sensitive matter, and I've submitted
Yeah,
report.
exactly.
I stick to this. If my fact finding or whatever is seemed to be false, he finds it false. Let there be inquiry.
Ma'am, in fact, he's gone and said Shashikala stays in the first floor of the women's prison eating normal food, but just that they're getting it parcel so that because there's no chance of poisoning. She's staying in the first floor.
I'm again saying the same thing. If I do not want to discuss the report, and if my report is he finds it false, he has every means to get it inquired again.
Now the people would want to know in the country.
Yes, he also mentioned that a memo was
There was
actually
always the
issued.
doubt that Sasikala was given VIP treatment inside the prison. Today you submitted a report which hints at that. Why are you shying away today from actually telling us what you saw there?
Because the report cannot be discussed on media. Hence, I have submitted it to DG Prisons. Let him take action. I have given also a copy to the government. So government also has
But the DG is saying it's a false report. He's saying that you do not know about the procedure and that's the reason you're filing such a report.
I have also read Prison Act, Prison Manual. So there's no question of me not knowing the rules.
He
said that he actually issued
He says it's a conspiracy against him.
Conspiracy by whom? I cannot comment on that.
He said that he actually issued a memo.
The DG says that this is something he noticed and had recorded in the books. But had it come to your notice, ma'am, when you went there, that it was withdrawn or still continuing?
I've written in the report, I've mentioned it, so I stick to that.
And there were reports under
Ma'am, he has also mentioned that he had actually issued a memo mainly because you had skipped a CM's event and you were at the prison.
Well, when I joined, the DG said that yes, prisons is a department separate from police. So any meeting, conference happening at DG IGP office, he said I need not attend until and unless there are instructions from him. Where is an instruction to me from him to attend CM's meeting? Why would I like to skip CM's meeting? It's a privilege to attend. Why would I skip CM's meeting? It's a privilege to attend. I have not been asked to attend. He has never issued me either orally or written instructions to attend CM's meeting.
He also accused you of leaking sensitive information on social media as well as to the regular
That
media.
is what I am saying. Whatever information on social media on like positive things about convicts doing bakery products or some tests being done on various medical tests being conducted for prisoners, etc. These are information which are positive, reformative kind, and it is an information even if a common man applies under RTI, he can get this information. It is only this information that I have disclosed. I have not committed any crime under Official Secrets Act. I have not disclosed any details under Secrets Act. So if a common man can apply an RTI, get information, that's enough. It's only that kind of information or a photo I put on Facebook.
You said corruption is deep-rooted in Parat Nagarara. Are you recommended, or in your capacity as DIG, you could have recommended suspension of the superintendent of jail? Because you have mentioned on many counts that there are corruption, be it ganja, be it giving special privileges, on all counts.
I have mentioned that Tapitastra mele action be taken on the people who are guilty.
Madam, DGP says it's not a new discovery, it is happening on daily basis and we are preventing such thing to happen. He says it is not a new discovery what she has brought up.
Could be. Then, but when I went, these were there, so I reported. When I see something, if I don't report, it becomes a lapse on my part. So I have reported.
And the DG prison refers to some history which he doesn't elaborate. Is it something that you're aware of?
What history?
He didn't really come clear on that. But when we asked him about the allegations, he said if you refer to the history of the officer, you get to know.
There is internet. Please search about me. Is there any corruption allegation against me? Please find out. There is no inquiry against me. There has been no D against me. So what is the history you are talking about, or he is talking about?
Okay. Ma'am, what about the fact that you have given a report based on rumors? In your report, you talk about rumors of 2 crores.
Now that, when you are asking me these questions, it amounts to discussing the report itself. Discussing the report will not be proper for me as a government servant to discuss it with the media. I am not discussing the report. Let there be a fact-finding inquiry. In that report, there are facts which even now can be proved. So let there be an inquiry if we
But
say.
do you give reports on rumors? One of the facts raised by the DG was that why are you reporting about rumors unless you check it or verify it?
In that 9th point, there is a fact and a rumor. I have mentioned rumor as a rumor. I have not converted a rumor to a fact. There is a fact I mentioned, this situation is there and this rumor is there. This situation is there, I am not discussing in detail. This situation is there, but what is the rumor going along with it, with that
Do you believe
situation?
there's truth in that? rumor? There must be some basis.
Now I've put it in the report. I've given it to DG himself, to nobody else. So he should take it positively and rectify.
Have there been differences officially between both of you all? Have there been differences officially between both of you all?
No,
Because you said he didn't invite you for the chief minister's meeting that was called.
No, not invite.
You're not instructed.
I was not instructed. I mean, if that is taken as a plea that without attending CM's meeting I went to prison.
But was there officially any differences between both of you all?
No, it's normal. This is what officers have this much. So.
Ma'am, also
Ma'am, if there's no action that is being taken, what will be your next step?
Ma'am, towards camera.
No, there should be a inquiry on this. If my findings are not proper, if DG feels, he can appoint anyone else to do a fact-finding inquiry, and in fact, government should do a fact-finding inquiry there, and then come out with a thing whether my report is correct or not.
Ma'am, finally,
The rumors, you have named the DG himself as having been, I mean, the rumors
Party
being
to
around
it.
about the
I
DG
wouldn't like to
himself.
comment anything else. It amounts to discussing the report which is not proper, and I do not want to violate conduct rules, or I do not want to, divulge anything which a government servant should not. I've only said that I have not discussed the report. Whatever I have found, I have reported. I have reported to boss himself, DG himself, to rectify. And if there is anything wrong in this, there can be a fact-finding inquiry further.
Ma'am, he also speculated that from this office only it has been leaked. Before the file went to him, you have leaked it, is what he
I
speculates.
have sent it to government, to various offices in the government. No, to various offices in the government, and I do not know on that.
Ma'am, finally,
Thank you.
the rumor that you spoke
We will
of.
keep on asking.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thanks.
Tata.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
फिर 50 लोग हैं.
சினிமா மற்றும் அரசியல் செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள சப்ஸ்கிரைப் டு டுடே சினிமா.
டுடே சினிமா நேயர்களுக்கு நன்றி, வணக்கம். ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் டு டுடே சினிமா.